Hi, buddies. Very good morning. So, children, how are you? Okay, all good. Now you know your first periodic is coming on ahead, and the more problem which you people have is in grammar. So, that day we revised grammar, but sorry I couldn't check, maybe some confusion, but I know that all of you have attempted the grammar part. But if you attempt it, you come to know what is right, what is wrong, and also a practice is done. Now, there was a complaint from Kanishka that the page was wavering. Children, I told you it's my first experience. I'm also learning technology, the use of technology. So, this is, again, you can click a picture here, right? All children can click a picture here. These are 3 questions I'm going to explain you. And children, editing, omitting, jumbled words, direct, indirect, concord, all these things need to be practiced a lot. And if you are having books, you can find these ready-made questions for practice on editing, omitting, reported verb, jumble words, etc. Suppose many of you do not buy any book, purchase any book, then children, you have to have a little pain. Pain in the sense, go to Google, internet, take help, CBSE sample papers, or just type editing, omitting. You get questions on that. Click picture and practice. Now children, you have 5 questions to do in 30 minutes. I repeat my sentence. You have to do these 5 questions and the time duration is 30 minutes. You must finish. Okay? But I'm going to explain you everything. Last time I told I won't be explaining. Once again I'm explaining. Question number 1. Omissions. Wright and Fleming found out that the treatment being used was doing more harm than good. Full stop. Each of the chemical antiseptics more harmful to the leukocytes than to the germs. And some cases the antiseptic actually facilitated multiplication germs. Wright and Fleming insisted that the surgeon's aim be not much to kill the germs as to help the leukocytes to do natural germ killing work. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. And again, in omissions I have told you, you will draw before, between, after, and then write the answers. First you will write, I didn't have space here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H here. You will write it here. And 3 blanks. On the top you will write before, between, after. And then you see this. Read the paragraph 2-3 times. Write with a speed and write the answers. Second question is again a good practice for people, those who do not do practice at home, they would practice with me. Question number 2 again is omission. Many people have grown up in multi-child families, think that single child family is a very fortunate one. Full stop. They mention such benefits, lack of competition, parental love in such families. Full stop. According to them, each of the children possesses large wardrobe for keeping his her clothes. Full stop. But the picture is not so rosy. In spite of getting everything, these children very lonely and long for company. Very good, simple, is easily understandable. Read it, and again you have J part still here. There is no mistake in the last line, and long for company और संगत करते की कोशिश करते हैं. So you will make till J 3 before, between, after A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Now children comes the third question on editing. Editing means every line there is one mistake, one error. Underline the error and write the answer in the blank given against the statement. You have to underline the incorrect word and write the correct answer which you think is the best one. When I am very young, indeed I live in such poverty that sometimes a whole day would pass without a meal. Full stop. I have poor clothes. Full stop. I was ill, often so sick to hunger and fatigue that I could hardly raise my head. My mother, father, and brother shared these wretched days. बुरे दिन माँ बाप ने शेयर किए. Past tense. I gave you a hint. Now every line there is one error, there is one mistake. Underline it and write down the answers. Here you have till H part. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And children, do you know? You must remember. In editing I have told you last time there will be two headings. Incorrect, correct. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Incorrect word was this and correct word is this. So write underneath correct the correct word. I'm only going to see the correct version, correct answers. It's easy for the teacher also to see the correct answer. So this is my doll, always looking at me, inspiring me to do hard work for my children. Let us come back. Third question. Question number 4. Once again it is, this passage is unedited. The view is clear, children. I hope it is more better than the last time. Usually it happens. We will be improving day by day. The following passage is unedited. Water is the basis of all life. Full stop. Every animal and each plant contains a substantial proportion to free and combined water for its body, and no kind of physiological activity is possible in which the fluid do not play an essential part. Water is necessary in animal life, when moisture in the soil is equally imperative in the life and growth of plants and trees. Maybe you'll not find it comprehensible, but it is on water, right? Jal hi jeevan hai. And let me tell you, children, in the board examination for what we are preparing, 20 out of 20 is they can give you one passage out of anywhere, any book, geography book, history book, or Tribune. Only thing is, they want to check your English, and English will be checked if you are creating these things correctly. Now, question number 4 as usual, question 5. So, here itself, this I did it wrong. Starts from here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. You will make A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Incorrect word. Correct word. Incorrect was this one. And correct I have put here like this. Now we come to last question. Rearrange the jumbled words and phrases into meaningful sentences. First one is very easy. This I have given you a simple. Why? You know, children, I want you to complete in 25, 22, 24 minutes and give one revision also, checking whether you answer correct or not. Right? First part, the happy wish you returned many of. You will form one good sentence by reordering them. Second B part, this, sending a, am, camera, I, occasion on. Happy you. Good. C part, photographs the even take of please. Third part, and the last part is even the would the you photographs of to send like me. You may take a little time in reordering these sentences, but I have given you very short ones. In the board examination, you get 20, 23 words, 20 words, 21 words, and you have to order them and form one good, meaningful sentence. Sometimes a sentence can be active, passive, both ways, so they can be two ways of writing one sentence also. Right, children? So these 5 questions I want you to complete in 30 minutes. Thereafter, you should start it in 30 minutes. Record the timing, when you started, when you ended. Please do not copy the questions. The questions are in front of you. I've again kept it like this. You can have a click, you can have a picture, and then start doing it. See. Now these 5 questions were total marks 20, 4 marks each. Then you will write mark lost, how many were wrong, deduct them, marks received, how many marks did you get in this test. Surely you please see, because these questions are not coming in your examination, but the same type of questions will be there in your papers till you do the finals. It's not for today, it's not for half yearly, not for periodical test too. It is always in 11th class. Also, children, mind you, you will be getting editing, omitting or jumble words. 4 to 8 marks grammar comes in class 1 also. So, guys, all the best. Start with your work. Have a happy day. Before that, I end my video. Please do comment, like, comment whatever you find right. How were the questions? You did it. Children are writing. Okay, sir, nice whatsoever. You can give the quality of video today you have seen, right? But do comment, do write 2 words, and it gives the views also. My main notion behind it is to get myself how many children have done it, to know how many children have done it. And students, we are 15, and 15 views should be there, 15 comments should be there, 15 people should be doing it. If 15 students are there, 15 should strive for 20 marks. Okay, children, answers I will be sending you. You will see what credit you have by checking your answers yourself and then on the class wall writing how many marks you got. Okay? You will write on the wall whatever your name is, itna marks secured. Okay, children, thank you and have a nice day. One thing I just forgot. Now I have given you ample lot of practice in grammar. Don't worry. We have done a lot of practice in grammar. Right? Editing, omitting, wording, मुश्किल भी और easy भी करके देख लिया है हमने. ये लीजिए, click कर लीजिए so that you can only toil hard with the questions, writing the answers. You don't have to copy the questions. Okay, children. One thing more I want to tell you. On Tuesday, you have, I presume, you have your English test. If not Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, any day. But I am heading for your good revision, and that's why again and again I am giving you these question answer, because totally 12 marks will be dependent on these grammar questions, right? So out of 12, you must strive to score 12 out of 12, right? Again telling you, questions will be like these, right? And they will not be the same questions in your examinations. So all the best, do it and get your answers. You check your answers. Very, very good. Thank you and have a nice day.